Hi friends, welcome to our channel Multimedia of Science. Today I am dealing with that of the continuous section of the chapter Living World. The previous section as done in that of the as part 1. So please watch it. Then next we are dealing with that of the some terms and conditions in that of the living world. I'm already talking about that of the classification, that is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom, and then we are detailedly discussed about that in this section. So when we consider that of the genus name, species name and kingdom, there is no suffix. I thought that you are familiar with that of the word suffix in the English grammar also. So there is prefix and suffix, and there is no suffix in that of the genus, species and kingdom. Then when we are talking about that of the phylum, or in plants it is called what? Division. Okay. I'm just writing that of that order to memorize it. So first one is species. It is much more important. So I am again writing. Then family, order, class, phylum, and then last kingdom. While considering that of the family name, it ends with that of the OACA. OACA. For example, Solan Aca. Solan Aca. It ends in that of the ACA pronunciation. ACA. So ends with that of the ACA, which indicates that it is a family. Then if it is ends with that of the aids, primates. Example, primates. Primates. Yeah, aids, which includes that it is in that of the order. Then subfamily. Subfamily. OIDA, spelling OIDEAE, OIDA. Ends in that of the OIDA, which indicates that of the subfamily. Ends in that of the AIDS indicate it is order. Ends in that of the OACA, it indicates family. So please remember this example. It is very helpful for the exam. Then next is about, we already talked about the common characters. While reaching from that of the lower character to the higher character, the common characters goes on decreasing and the contrasting complexity, it will be increased. So it is already discussed in that of the previous section, previous video. Then we are dealing with some scientific names. I'm already discussed about one scientific name. It is Magnifera indica. It is the scientific name of mango. Next is Panthera tigris. Panthera tigris should be underlined. It is scientific name for tiger. Another one is Panthera leo. Panthera leo. It is for lion. And next is Panthera pardus. Panthera pardus. It is for leopard. By looking these three, we can determine that the first name, that is genus name, is same for both not three of these. And here Panthera, that is genus name, is same, so it is included in that of the same genus. Same genus all. Next one is about tomato. The scientific name of tomato is Solanum nigrum. Solanum nigrum. Brinjal. It's not mentioned in that of the NCERT textbook. I am writing this for mentioning another one. So Solanum melongana. It is a scientific name for brinjal. Next is about potato. It is Solanum tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum. So in these three, what? Yeah, Solanum, Solanum, Solanum. So these three includes in that of the same genus. Clear? Next is about Solanaceae family. The family Solanaceae. We already discussed about that of the family Solanaceae. The Solanaceae family includes that potato, datura and petunia. Potato, datura, petunia. These three are included in that of the Solanaceae family. Then scientific name for cat. What is the scientific name for cat? Felis catus. Felis catus is the scientific name for cat, and the dog, scientific name for that of the dog is Canis lupus. Canis lupus. Then if the cat family includes, cat family is Felidae. Felidae, that is cat family, which includes the both genus. So it is a family and which includes that of the two genus. It is Felis genus, and another one is Panthera. Panthera, which I already discussed in the previous. Yes, Panthera. And that Panthera and Felis are both genus, and these two genus are included in that of the same family. It is cat family Felidae. Clear? Then the dog family is Canidae. Dog family is Canidae, and dog family is Canidae and cat family is Felidae. Clear? Then the family Solanaceae and the family Convolvulaceae are included in that of the order Polymoniales. So Polymoniales. This is order. And this order, which includes that of the two family, one is Solanaceae and the another one is what? Yeah, Convolvulaceae. The family Felidae and the Canidae included in that of the order Carnivora. So next order is Carnivora. Carnivora is the order and which includes that of the two family, which is Felidae and another one is Canidae. Felidae is the cat family, Canidae is the dog family. These families are included in that of the order Carnivora. Next is the order Carnivora and the order Primata included in that of the class Mammalia. So Mammalia, we are all included in that of the class Mammalia. So Mammalia is a class and which includes that of the two order. First one is Carnivora. Okay, Carnivora. Next one is Primata. The human beings, Homo sapiens, are included in the order Primata. So order Primata and Carnivora, which is under the section of Mammalia class. Clear? Then next is about the taxonomical. This is over. Next is about the taxonomical aids. Taxonomical aids. There is sure question from this section in each of the exam. So must study this portion. Taxonomical aid. The first one is about herbarium. Herbarium. The preservation method. The herbarium. Then first we are mentioning about what is the standard size of these herbarium sheets. In herbarium there are lot of sheets, herbarium sheets. Okay, so what is the standard size? Standard size of these herbarium sheets. It is 29 into 41.5 centimeter, then or in inches it is 11.5 into 16.5 inches, and then 29 into 43 centimeter. Clear? Then in herbarium preparation, the dried species, the dried specimens, that is herbarium is mainly mentioning for that of the plants, and these are preserved in that of the some specific conditions. Which are they? Okay. In herbarium, the dried specimens are sprayed with that of the fungicides, that is, fungicides like 0.1 percentage solution of HgCl2. What is HgCl2? Yeah, mercuric chloride. So 0.1 percentage solution of mercuric chloride is sprayed on that of these herbarium sheets for the more preservation. And next one is naphthalene. Then DDT, then carbon disulfide. Clear? Then in the last section of this NEET preparation, in the +2 syllabus, you would meet with that of the topic, that is ex situ conservation and in situ conservation. Here I am only mentioning about the botanical garden and zoological garden, because these are included in that of the taxonomical aid. So botanical garden and the zoological garden, botanical garden and zoological park, these are included in that of the ex situ conservation. Clear? Please memorize this. Next I am talking about some important points which you should remember, that is which is the largest zoo in the world and which is the one of the finest zoo in that of the Asia. Okay, so first is about the largest zoo. Which is the largest zoo in the world? Yeah, it is Kruger, which is situated in that of the South Africa. Clear? Next is about the finest, one of the finest zoo in that of the Asia. One of the finest zoo in Asia. It is National Zoological Park in India. National Zoological Park in India. National Zoological Park in India. Next, taxonomical aid. So first one is herbarium. This is also a taxonomical aid. Then fourth one is about key, and these key are not much is important, but it is well prepared for that of the NEET, because it is not much largely explained in that of the NCERT, but it is should be noted. So key are of two type. Okay, two type, and first one is bracketed key. Bracketed, it is a type of preservation which is included in that of the what? Taxonomical aid. So key is first one is about bracketed key, and another one is about intended key or yoked key. Intended key or yoked key. Then the keys are analytical in nature and are used for that of the identification of plants and animals. Okay, used for the identification of plants and animals both. Then next we are dealing with that of the each sentence in that of the key. It is called what? Lead. Each sentence, lead. Clear? Then other taxonomical aid which is mentioned in that of the textbook. So other taxonomical aid. Just to memorize, there is easy way and that should be explained here. So first one is other taxonomical aid. Flora. If they are talking about flora, there should be a word, that is plant. When we talk about that of the plants, it is 90% it should be flora. So in second case, second one, that is about manual. Then manual is discussed about the compiled information. Compiled information. Okay. Next is monograph. Mono which means only one. So monograph is discussing about only one taxon. Only one taxon. Clear? Only one taxon. Then last and final, fourth one, it is catalog. Catalog is about recent news. Okay, recent news. They are talking about recent news. Okay, clear. That is the about a short list of this taxonomical aid, and all the best for your exam. Okay, thank you.